Daily use English. 1. Morning routine. Words. Wake up, brush, bath, breakfast, ready, school, officey. 1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I brush my teeth every day. 3. I take a bath and get ready. 4. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. 5. I go to school office on time. 2. At home. Words. Kitchen, cook, clean, wash, sleep, Eve mobile sentences. 1. My mother cooks food in the kitchen. 2. I help my mother in cleaning the house. 3. I wash my clothes on Sunday. 4. I watched with my family. 5. I sleep at 10 o'clock at night. 3. At market. Words. Boy, vegetables, fruits, price, money, bag sentences. 1. I go to the market to buy vegetables. 2. How much is this? 3. The price is very high today. 4. Please give me 1 kilo of apples. 5. Thank you. Here is your money. 4. Talking with friends. Words. Hello, how, fine, school, lunch, play sentences. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. I'm fine. What about you? 3. Let's go to school together. 4. What did you eat for lunch? 5. Let's play after school. 5. Traveling. Words. Bus, train, ticket, seat, travel station sentences. 1. I am waiting for the bus. 2. The train is late today. 3. I need 1 ticket to Regatta. 4. Please sit here. 5. Have a safe journey. 6. At school office. Words. Teacher, homework, meeting, work, pen, paper sentences. 1. The teacher is in the classroom. 2. Did you do your homework? 3. I have a meeting at 11 o'clock. 4. Please give me a pen. 5. I am writing on paper. 7. Evening and night. Words. Tired, dinner, walk, rest, sleep, dream sentences. 1. I feel tired after work. 2. I take dinner with my family. 3. I go for a short walk. 4. Now I will take rest. 5. Good night, sweet dreams. 8. Common polite sentences. 1. Please sit down. 2. Thank you very much. 3. You're welcome. 4. Excuse me, please. 5. Sorry, I'm late. 6. Don't worry. 7. It's okay. 8. Take care. 9. See you soon. 10. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.